Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email because you want to go ahead and receive updates or promotions. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on the profile picture on the upper right hand corner. Next, click on Edit Account. Then click on Personal Info. Then click on Email. And then this is where you're going to be able to change your email and update it to your Postmates account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.